Uh, um, Today we are here to discuss some points about BSNL. Since you have been using BSNL from a long time, so we thought that you would be the best candidate to understand some of the intricacies of BSNL and the services that you are using. So I will ask you a few questions. We will go like this. We'll ask you a few questions, and you have to respond free-heartedly. Whatever points that you have, whatever do you feel about BSNL, the services, the mobile value-added services that you have used, and some strengths and weaknesses that you have found in BSNL.
Okay.
So let me start with your demographics. Can you tell me your name, age, gender, and the family income that you have?
So I'm Alok Kumar, 25 years of age,
Okay.
male, and my family income is around 5 to 8 lakhs.
Okay. So you're married or single?
Single.
Single. So Alok, which service provider that you have been using?
I've been using BSNL for 3 to 4 years.
3 to 4 years?
Yes.
That's really nice. So could you tell me some of the mobile value added services that you have used in these 3 to 4 years? You might have used a couple of them.
Yes.
So tell me some of the value added services that you have used in this 3 to 4 years.
So I've used the railway reservation system, like the PNR related system.
Okay, that's good.
And then I've used some of the news services also.
New services also. Okay. So tell me what is your feeling about these services? You have used the BSNL service. So what do you feel about these services?
Yeah, it's nice. It's kind of useful when there is no internet around, and it's basically it's kind of a beneficial to use. It's yeah, easy to use.
Okay, so what if I classify the time that you have been using it? So what will be the time that you would say that you have used this mobile value added services? What time do you use? What is the purpose? The time?
Again, the purpose would be when I am required, I'll use. So suppose I want to know the PNR related services, so I'll use that service. If I'm traveling alone and I want to get some news, so I use the news as a service. So it's on the go service, which actually the value-added service is required for.
Okay. So I would like to know a couple of advantages of the services that you have used.
Couple of advantages.
Yes.
So from the news services, again you get to know the news, and then there are jokes. I've subscribed for once. I've subscribed for jokes also. So again, it's a fun time.
Okay. So what are the prime disadvantages?
Prime
You
disadvantage.
might have faced some disadvantages. So what are those disadvantages?
The disadvantage would be again the killing of time, mainly. Like you get to whenever you use many such services, the time seems to just fly away.
So, okay. And are you satisfied with the bill? Satisfied with the value that you get for money in those services?
I think yes.
So what are problems you have faced in past, giving your past usage of mobile value added services? What all problems have you faced till now?
One of the prime problem is that the value-added service tend to replicate itself in the next month. Like it tends to recharge on its own, and it gets deducted from my balance.
Okay.
So I don't like this service because it should be user-driven. Whether I want the service or not, it should be user-driven. Like.
So you wanted to recharge every month,
Yes,
as per you want it or not?
Yes.
Okay. So you have some suggestions for some new value-added services or improvement of existing services?
No, I would not be a better person to say, because I have not used many of the services. So I think, but there is a wide variety of services existing in the market, and I think it's good.
It's good. Okay. So I have a couple of more questions for you.
Okay.
Like. So the mobile value-added services, there can be two types of services. Like one is like the amount of usage that you do, that is the amount of bill that will be deducted. Second is like one-time fee, like you pay 30 rupees, you get it for a month. So which type of service would you prefer, on the fly or one-time payment?
So again, I'm not a very great user, so I would say on the use service would be better for me rather than a monthly.
Okay. So suppose. Would you like to use combo packs if we provide combo packs like SMS and a joke pack combined, SMS and an astrology pack combined? So what reactions do you have for this type of package?
Yes, yes. It would be nice to club 2 or 3 things, because everybody cannot use does not use one service for the entire month. So it's better you can combine 2 or 3 services. It would be better.
Okay. So if at all we are combining providing a combo pack and combining 2 services, mobile value added services, what will be that service which you will be interested?
Generally the utility things, like again the railway or utility service, like news also, and for 1 or 2 jokes would be fine.
Jokes. Okay. Okay. So Alok, thank you very much for your time,
Okay,
and wish you a very happy BSNL usage. Thank you so much.